Hey, it's me, Toni-Lee. Thank you so much for being here and for being you. Tonight, I'm going on a virtual date with my mom. I'm so excited. I sent her this painting for Christmas. I have one as well. I got it on like clearance at Michael's. I thought it would be really cute if we like FaceTime and paint it together because we live so far away from each other. I figured this would be a really good little date night idea. I did have a little garden gummy for the evening because this is during dry January. I'm gonna go ahead and set up my little paint session. I did just lay down a little towel because I knew I would be working with paint and I didn't want to ruin my table, and I had some water too, like a little glass, so if anything spilled. I mean, I'm letting her look at it all now because it's better than when I like do it, you know. You're going to call her and get to painting. I was gonna say, if they need something, they'll call you. Don't you worry. We both truly had such an amazing night together. We used our iPads to FaceTime because it was a bigger picture, but there were no real instructions, just like paint what the picture looked like. So it was actually fun for us to both see how we interpreted this picture. They turned out different, but similar. And I just had so much time being with my mom, being able to talk and laugh about the different things we were doing.
Got some little people in there. I didn't notice that in the picture.
I didn't either. That's being you. Wait. When you get a second, let's show each other our progress.
Let me finish this one little thing.
Wait.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. 2. Wait, why is yours looking so much better than mine? Overall, it probably took us about 3 hours in total to paint because we were painting. I actually stopped and I had some dinner and she was still painting, and I actually still finished before she did. But this was just so much fun. I loved being able to spend this time with my mom. I feel like we often hear about long-distance romantic relationships, and we never talk enough about our long-distance family relationships. And I think that's why it's really important we take the time to love on our family that we don't see all the time and to give them the time and attention that they deserve, because I feel like in this world of social media, you can get so sucked in to how everyone's life seems so perfect, but the reality is no one's life is perfect. And truly, at the end of the day, your family is always going to be the ones that love you. I hope that's the way it should be. And so I'm so grateful that I do have a family that loves me and is willing to take the time to do such a fun activity like this with me. You're like, I thought I was. Wow, yours is really good. Yeah, yours is gonna take 10 years. You're outlining everything in black. What? You should do that. You do that last.
Well, I just outlined that because I needed to make sure I can still see it.
Yeah, I know. That's why I feel like I've had to do it in such a specific way now, because them freaking the gray lines just disappear.
Yeah, the gray lines go bye-bye.
And you're like, what the heck? If I had a Christmas gift for every time you said that.
You would have an endless supply of Christmas gifts.
Yep.
You are correct.
I'd have Christmas all year.
goddamn baby.
I don't care. Bub's cute though. He's just like, has mom done this? And I'm like, no. He's like,
You know what
Mom.
you get just from him because that's really the one that's the most important.
You ready?
Yep. Oh my gosh!
See how it's getting closer to my face? I've done all that I can do. I've done all I can
Did you do your stairs?
Yep. I done did that. You're being so specific with that outlining. That's what's taking you so long.
I only outlined one thing.
Look. See?
Perfect.
I can see where you dropped it.
I dropped my paintbrush. I've been so careful. Dang it.
That damn neighbor texted. What'd they say?
The door's open.
Your garage door is open. You gotta be careful because you got a bear. He come in there.
We need to take our picture.
Yeah, hold it up. I just finished the painting with my mom. So freaking amazing. It was so much fun just to spend time with her and like intentionally put the time out there to do something together. And her painting is so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with it, even though mine looks like a middle schooler did it. It was so fun. Definitely encourage, if you live far away from someone that you love, to do this. It really just like, you can find these paintings online anywhere, and it's just so fun to like sit together, do something. You are doing the same thing, you can talk about it, and yeah, you just get to be together. So I'm really happy that I get to have this memory forever.